Okay, in this tutorial we are going to be demonstrating how to expand an orchard from going to just a plain old ugly 20 capacity orchard to a gold super orchard. Okay, I am on my sunflowers meadows land here, as you can see, and I have two of the needed requirements to get this thing going. We need a tool shed, which can be expanded, as you can see there. You can use according to this tutorial over here, it says that you can use a chicken coop, okay, that can be expanded if you click on it and it says expand, or a barn storage. Okay, it says if you don't have either one for expansion, buy a tool shed. So I did buy myself a tool shed, and as you can see there, I can expand it. So I'm going to go ahead and as you can see, I have my orchard built. So I did this to save us some time. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this, and I'm going to launch my FaceBot. And do I have two instances of FaceBot launched? I do. Okay, let me get the hell out of here. Actually, let me close. Alright, let's relaunch FaceBot. You shouldn't have more than one FaceBot launched, but unfortunately it minimizes to the system tray over here near the clock. So, okay, we've got it running. Let me clear out some things here. I was making some fouls earlier. Let me change to Summer Meadows because this is where I'm going to be working. Now, by default, the plugin did not work on every land. What I had to do was alter a code which looks something. It looked like this on line 76, and I had to replace it with all of this. So if I go to my computer and I look in my default FaceBot Farmville plugins folder, I will see something called Upgrade Orchard folder. Now in this folder there is a main.php file which I would open with something like Notepad++, and someone said check line 76, and as you can see here, line 76 is exactly what I had checked, replaced from this, okay, to this, and as you can see, that's the code there. Don't use something like WordPad or just plain Notepad. Download a free version of Notepad. It's called, I normally use Notepad Pro, but for the case of this tutorial, since it is a pro version, this is called Notepad++, I think. Not the name of it? I know I have the icon somewhere. Yeah, it's called Notepad and two pluses, so Notepad++. Alright, so that would I'm going to post the code just in case, and you'll know what to do in case you can't get it to work in any other land. Alright, so let's get back to this tutorial. Sorry about that. If you don't have the plugin installed, you want to pull up your plugins button up here at the top, and you want to click on FB Hack Updater, okay, and then you will be looking for the plugin called Upgrade Orchard, and as you can see, mine is already installed, but you would install it, okay. You have to install this. So once you install it, okay, confirm that it's done. You can close out of here. I'm going to go to my settings now, and I'm going to enable my Upgrade Orchard plugin, and I need to have my FV links with an S, okay, FV links with an S enabled. So once I have those two enabled, I'm going to save my changes. I'm going to go back to my plugins here. I'm going to launch this. I am going to click on Run Transform Orchard, and I'm going to have disabled after running. Those are the two that we need checked for now. I'm going to click Save. Go back to my FB settings just in case. Click Save Changes for good measure. And what I'm going to do now is hit Run. Now, if all goes well, we will get a confirmation here, and you'll know if you were successful or not, if and when yours does look like mine when it's done. This is my first time trying it on Meadows, so I can't confirm with complete authority whether or not it actually works. I've been able to do it on other lands such as home, and as you can see here, yes. So now what we're going to do, as you can see there, it says successful. 3 days, expires in 3 days. What we're going to do is stop this. Okay, make sure that it's stopped. I forgot to bring up my FV links plugin. Let's see here, FV links with an S. What I'm going to do is open that up, and alright, so I had a whole bunch of stuff here that I did not clear out before doing this. But okay, I believe that it's the one called Storage Expansion Friend Reward. That is the one that I need. So I'm going to export that link there, and as you can see, it gives me a link. So I have a little cheat going on over here, and I'm going to ask for some help. Actually, all I need is the URL. I'm going to copy this URL for a minute. You need to copy that URL and post it into a group, send it to your friends. You need 10 clicks. And this will be more... Where did I put it here? Yeah, as you can see here, I have an image. Okay, it says 10 clicks please for Orchard expansion. When the person clicks on it, it's going to say barn raiser. But yeah, that's just the way it works. So I'm going to take my information here. I'm going to copy this to a group. I'm going to pause this just for a minute. Okay, so as you can see here, I did post it, and this is what my post looks like. 10 clicks. It'll say barn raiser, and there I have a little image of what I'm trying to accomplish. So I need 10 clicks. Sometimes I have to go ahead and get on an alt account, which I have a bunch of, and I'll just click them myself. But hopefully I have enough friends online that will do so. I'm going to post this on my main wall. Maybe I get more hits. Let me pause for a minute because we're kind of pressed for time. I guess the next question is, how do you know when you have them all? And that would be a good question. Hopefully we get 10 likes, but in any case, I'm going to jump on an alt account in about 2 minutes, and I'm going to go and see, and it'll tell me whether or not I still need help or not. If I don't need any help and it says that I have all the help needed, it will say so, and then I'll just start with the next process. So let me pause this bot because I don't have my 10 clicks, and I cannot continue until the 10 clicks. Be back. Okay, I've been thinking rather than waiting, I'm going to go ahead and save this video. This will be part 1, okay? And then I'm going to process this and get it ready, and then that'll give me enough time to confirm that I have my other links this way. I'm just not sitting there doing nothing because time is money. Okay, this ends this part of the tutorial. I'll be back with part 2.